If an estuary is opened under the wrong conditions, the destruction can be widespread and long-lasting. Mass fish kills are one of the most obvious consequences, and tens of thousands of fish and other aquatic life can be wiped out within hours. Sadly, this has happened a number of times in Victoria.
The Surrey Estuary is one of two estuaries that we know of in Western Victoria which have had major fish kill incidents associated with mouth opening. At the time of the opening of the Surrey River, there was a relatively thin layer of oxygenated water that was drained off, leaving the fish and other organisms nowhere to live. They were trapped in that anoxic water and they died.
When the Surrey River was illegally opened in the early hours of a July morning in 2005, the results were truly devastating. By sunset, more than 30,000 fish and thousands more shrimp, insects and other aquatic life had been trapped without enough oxygen in the water and died.
One of the really important things to notice about these fish kill incidents is that they're totally non-selective of species or age class. All the oxygen-breathing organisms of the estuary, from the tiniest planktonic creatures up to the large fish which we all love, are basically vulnerable to this incident. And so what we found is that we basically had a huge loss of population across the entire ecosystem. The estuary is showing signs of coming back, but it will be many years before the populations of all sorts of species, including fish, will be able to build back up to anything like a natural population. Given that we know the Surrey Estuary is a high-risk estuary for these sorts of incidents, what really matters is how long we're able to maintain the estuary in something like a healthy state. If we have another incident of ill-timed mouth opening, we'll set the population recovery process back many years.